Hello everybody, welcome to my show Sweets and Spices. Today I'll be showing you spicy tilapia fish fry. It takes hardly 10 minutes to prepare this dish for your loved ones. The ingredients are 2 tilapia fish which is never frozen, fresh ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, garam masala powder, tablespoon of garam masala powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder, yogurt. I've cut the fishes into small pieces. Now we are going to marinate it with some fresh ginger garlic paste, chili powder depending on your spice level, and salt according to your taste, and 2 spoons of yogurt, thick yogurt, and garam masala. Mix it well. You can use your hand or you can use your spoon. I have mixed it well. Now we are going to keep this for 2 hours for marination. It's been marinated for 2 hours. Now it's all ready to fry. I've kept the pan here with 2 tablespoons of oil and it's hot, and let's start putting the fish. I've added the fish, all the fish on the pan, so we are going to fry it each side for 3 minutes. It's almost 3 minutes, so let's flip them other side to cook. I flipped all the fish, so let's allow another 3 minutes the other side to cook. Other side also it is cooked. I've allowed both the sides to cook for 3 minutes. Now it is ready to serve. Spicy tilapia fish fry is now ready to serve.